Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, today I would like to share with you all my new project, and yeah, inspired from by all these suitcases. It's the stacked suitcases that also inspired from Pinterest. This is mine, and I use it to store all my doily inside. And I have no time yet to decorate my suitcase. This is the wooden suitcases, and I add the, you can see, I add the feet onto the suitcase. And what I plan is I just want to my drawing skill is worse, I can say. So what I plan is I will paint the roses, printed roses, and glue on the suitcase. I love roses and Shabby Chic. But I have to arrange my time to decorate. And this is the top one, so it's quite big size, this one. I think 1 feet. They have about 20 inches, more than that maybe. It's quite big. So I want to share with you is I create a mini one. This is my Shabby Chic style. Okay, and this is also one of my kit. It's a monthly kit, already sold out. And it's an April monthly kit. And what I did with mine, and all these teddy bear and the hanger also inspired from the Pinterest that one of my friend, Chona, she shared the pictures, and it's a vintage style. Also the teddy bear and the hanger and the ballerina shoes and all stuff. But I have a little difference because and also the pictures, they have a tiny little pouch like the bag, but I didn't make a bag for this kit, and I just make a little dress. And another is a lollipop mirror. Let me adjust the camera and show you the details. And sorry. Okay, this is how is my Shabby Chic style. This is one of the theme. I make like a Shabby Chic, and I also for the kid I also have the vintage style. So you can see different teddy bear here. Also where we have a ballerina style, and so what I did is this I haven't altered yet. You can see I just have one pink and one the cream color, because this is a sample that I for the kid. So I just put it on here. So you can see I also have a little tiny mirror, because this just like a frame, and it didn't came with the mirror, and so I altered both sides. And inspired by Margaret, she made the mirror with antique mirror. Is so gorgeous, and I always late when I go to her store, everything gone. okay, so this is my tiny ballet shoes. Okay, and I also altered a little teddy bear. And another teddy bear, different pattern. Okay, and this one like a vintage one, super cute. And yeah, I will glue everything, and I have to find a place to display this one because my craft room is really full. And this one I glue it already, and also after a little tiny hanger. And yeah, I have to mention the little dress inspired by my dear friend Vilma, and also we are from Pinterest, and I have this idea in my mind for so long but just have no time, so I include this little lace dress into this kit. So yeah, I will remove one and show you the suitcase. Okay, this one I stick together actually. Yeah, this one is the little dress. I don't want to remove her. Super cute, another teddy bear dress, like so. So you're gonna see this. All this is the suitcases here. See? And this one I also add the feet, just like what I did there. But this one is the wooden round feet, and I couldn't find the small mini size for this, so I use this kind of the wood for my feet. So yeah, you can open this one. I use the fabric, yeah, but for the kit I use the cardstock. Because use fabric, this one you have to double layer with 2 layer of the cardstock, if not will very soft. So I changed my idea to use the layer with the cardstock. So this is not medium size, and this is the small size of my suitcases. And I put this here. Maybe. This is dress. Gonna stand up. Let me do, yeah, just in display and show you. Okay, just leave it like so. Okay, another big hanger, and then another teddy. So many teddy here. And that's it here. This one you can hold the lollipop mirror. Just put here. Yeah, I love miniature. I love small stuff. So you can see, I really enjoy to make small things, tiny. Put the flower here. Yeah, look so busy. But just love it. Okay, put the flowers here. Okay. Oh, pretty. Let me adjust lower a bit so you can see. Cute, right? Okay, and I love Shabby Chic, but I also love gypsy Bohomian style. So I create another one in this style. So yeah, but this I make it simple, and I use this kind of the trim for the how to call this, the thread here inside. This one I think I glue it together. Yeah. Oh, cannot open. Or maybe when I glue, did not. I glue it together. Okay, inside you use the cardstock 2 layers, so you can see it's so strong enough. This is his inside part. And glue it. because I use the trim is a bit difficult to put it inside the gap. If you this one I use the cardstock and fabric, it's easy for you to start in. So like this one. All this one, my dear friend Lucky Vandana sent to me, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I use it. This another size, and this fabric, my dear friend, my dear BFF sent me. I use this here, and this is one of my old trousers, yeah, my pants. Layer inside also, yeah. I think it's different pattern, yeah. I forget what I picked. Okay, this is the big size, and I add the only this one. I add the corner fig grease, and others you can see. I forget to mention. See, I printed whitewash this one in the Shabby Chic color, and this one I didn't. I used this original color and just fold and bend this corner here. This is a big one, and this piece also from my dear friend Vandana, and I also use the fig grease for the feet. All stick together. Oh, this one I stick this side. Okay. Okay, this one inside. Oh, my teddy bear falling down. Okay. This is one of my hand DIY. Yeah, my handmade gypsy flower that from my last year, I believe it's last year, my DIY kit. This one I out of frame again, so maybe yeah, it's quite matched with this theme. So this is my gypsy suitcase. Let you see the close-up. A very bright color, and this is my Shabby Chic style. Totally different, but I love both. Okay, and yeah, thanks again for everyone, yeah, for stopping by to my channel and your subscribes and your support. And yeah, please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my stacked suitcases, and yeah, just leave a comment and which style, which theme you prefer. And I think yeah, most of you will pick the Shabby Chic because I also, yeah, it's a Shabby Chic queen. I love both. Okay, so yeah, thanks again, and this is my giant size suitcase, the background there. So yeah, thanks again for everyone, and if you like this project, just give me a big thumbs up, and bye bye.